and especially leaders like Siddharth, Gaurav, Abhijit, and the entire team, or they're all your visionary leaders who thought that they should be giving members more opportunity to come up as Toastmasters, come and foster themselves as better individuals and better speakers and leaders. So this is one such platform, and your visionary leaders have taken a step. So I would request you all to make the most out of this platform by taking up leadership roles, delivering speeches, and taking up leadership roles not only at the club level, but later on also in the area and further in the division and the district. So let's begin with the installation ceremony. On behalf of Toastmasters International and District 25, District 41, sorry, I thank all the outgoing officers. We don't have outgoing officers. So I thank all of you for your accomplishments and salute you for your service. I'm here to install Guwahati Toastmasters Club number 7827417. New officers, when I call each one of you, please unmute yourself and acknowledge your presence. Sergeant at Arms, Toastmaster Bijay Shankar Sen.
Very good evening, Toastmaster.
Treasurer, Toastmaster Siddharth III.
Yes,
Toastmaster Siddharth.
Yes, distinguished Toastmaster name.
Secretary, Toastmaster Kazip Shimre. Okay, Kazip has unmuted himself, but then I can't hear him. Vice President, Public Relations, Toastmaster Monica Chaudhary.
Good evening, ATM Nirmika, as well as all the Toastmasters.
Vice President, Membership, Toastmaster Vikash Agarwal. Toastmaster Vikash Agarwal, is he here?
Nirmika, it is Vikas Goenka.
Vikas Goenka, okay. Toastmaster Vikas Goenka. Is he here?
He is.
Okay. Vice President, Education, Toastmaster Abhishek Agarwal.
Good evening, Nirmika.
Good evening, Abhishek. And President, Toastmaster Shashwati Chakraborty.
Good evening, everyone.
Good evening, Shashwati. I'm here to install the officers of Guwahati Toastmasters, club number 7827417, and to prepare them for the challenges that lie ahead. Their collective challenge is to make this club strong and dedicated to helping people from all walks of life, to listen with sensitivity, think creatively, and speak in an effective manner. As I briefly describe the responsibilities of each officer, I'll ask him or her to hold a gavel as a symbol of leadership. Toastmaster Bijay. The duties of the Sergeant at Arms are to reserve the meeting space with the proper authorities, make sure that all supplies and materials are properly distributed or displayed at meetings, greet guests and members, and call the meeting to order at the scheduled time. I give you this gavel as a symbol of this charge. Will you perform these duties to the best of your ability, Toastmaster Bijay?
Yeah, I will do that.
Toastmaster Siddharth, the duties of the treasurer are to collect dues from the members, send the dues and the membership renewal reports to the Toastmasters International, and pay the club's expenses. Will you perform these duties to the best of your ability?
Yes, ma'am.
Toastmaster Siddharth?
Yes, ma'am, I will.
Toastmaster Kazip, the duties of the secretary are to keep an accurate record of the members, submit the officer list to Toastmasters International after the election, and keep the club charter, constitution, bylaws, and minutes. Will you perform these duties to the best of your ability?
Yes, Division Director, I will uphold my duties as the Secretary of the Guwahati Toastmasters Club.
Toastmaster Monica, the duties of the Vice President Public Relations are to promote the club to the local media, spread the word about membership programs, and to attend Toastmaster events. Will you perform these duties to the best of your ability?
ATM Nirupika, I will.
Toastmaster Vikash, as the Vice President membership, your duties are to conduct ongoing membership building programs, explain the educational program to prospective members, and ask them to join, and follow up on new members and absent members. Will you perform these duties to the best of your ability, Toastmaster Vikash?
He isn't here right now.
I think there's some issue. Okay, Toastmaster Abhishek, the duties of the Vice President Education are to plan successful meetings to help members achieve their educational goals, orient new members to the Toastmasters program as soon as they join, and monitor members' progress. Will you perform these duties to the best of your ability?
I'll give my 100% to fulfill my responsibility.
Thank you. Toastmaster Shashwati, having been elected the president of club number 7827417, you are its chief executive officer and will be expected to preside at all club meetings and at all regular and special meetings of the executive committee. Excuse me. It's your challenge to see that this club enables its members to achieve their educational goals. Excuse me, please. It is also your challenge to see that your club helps the area, division, district, and Toastmasters International to meet their goals. Please accept the gavel as a symbol of your leadership and dedication to the office. The gavel is a symbol of the power and authority given to you by the membership of this club. Use it wisely and with restraint. You are a member of your team and a leader. A team is more than a collection of people. It's an emotional force rooted in the feelings, thoughts, and actions of all members with the common goal of achievement, sharing, and mutual support. Work with your team members to create a healthy, dynamic club, a club of which everyone will be proud. Will you, as president, accept this challenge and perform the duties to the best of your ability, Toastmaster Shashwati?
I do. I will.
Thank you. It is now my pleasure to declare these Toastmasters installed into the offices to which they have been elected. You may unmute yourself and give yourselves a round of applause. I request the members to give a round of applause. Thank you. Will everyone keep yourself unmuted, please? The growth and development of the Toastmasters program in Guwahati Toastmasters, club number 7827417, depends largely on the actions of this group. On your honor as men and women of Toastmasters, will you pledge to individually and collectively stand by this club, live with it, and work with it throughout the coming year?
Yes, we
I-
will.
We will.
Yes,
Yes.
yes.
We
We
will.
will do that.
Thank you very much. I wish the Guwahati Toastmasters Club a very successful year. I'll now turn over the control to your president, Toastmaster Shashwati. Over to